Welcome to Nightwave English. Today, we will learn useful English with Lena. Our theme is English at the bus stop.
You will hear simple sentences for real situations.
For example, I missed the bus. Could you help me, please? When is the next bus?
And?
Does this bus go to the city center? Is this my stop?
I think I need this lesson. Because I am going to meet Noah in the city center, and I really do not want to take the wrong bus.
Then this lesson is perfect for you.
Today, Lena will take the bus in Havenport. Listen slowly, follow the subtitles, and learn the useful sentences inside the story. Lena, it's your turn to take the lead.
Oh, I have to hurry.
And here is the amazing cast of our new adventure.
Wait! Please wait! Oh no. I missed the bus. I missed a bus. Great start, Lena. Noah is already waiting. Okay, stay calm. Maybe there is another bus. Maybe I can still get there on time. Bus number 12, bus 21. Bus number 7. Why are there so many numbers? Excuse me, could you help me, please?
What do you need?
I missed the bus. I need to get to the city center.
The city center. You need bus number 12.
Bus number 12. Okay. When is the next bus?
The next bus is in 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, you have time.
Good. I was worried.
Do not worry. Just do not take bus number 21.
Why?
It goes in the opposite direction.
Oh, good to know.
You look worried, dear.
I missed my bus, and I need to meet my little brother.
Ah, that is important.
Yes, he hates waiting. I hate waiting too.
Then a bus stop is a very good teacher.
A teacher?
Yes, it teaches patience.
I think I prefer easy teachers.
Most people do.
Is that bus number 12?
I think so, but you should ask. Always ask before you get on.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. Then it goes to North Havenport.
Perfect. Does it stop near the library?
Yes, you need the stop after the old bridge.
The stop after the old bridge, okay.
That is right.
Great. How much is a ticket?
$3.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
1 ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Please take a seat.
Okay, I'm ready to go on.
Let us pause for a moment. Lena has already used useful English. These sentences are short, but they are very useful.
And they can save you from taking the wrong bus.
Exactly. For example, I missed the bus. You can also say I missed the train or I missed the tram.
And could you help me, please? Works almost everywhere.
Yes, at the station, in a shop, in the street, or at work. Now, let us go back to the bus. Lena is on the right bus. But now she has another problem. She needs to know where to get off.
Oh, I have to hurry. Excuse me, do you know where I should get off?
Where are you going, dear?
Near the library. I am meeting my little brother there.
Then you should get off after the old bridge.
After the old bridge?
Yes, you will see a small park on the right. Then the library is very close.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You are welcome. First time on this bus.
Is it that obvious?
A little.
I am trying to look confident.
Try asking questions instead. It works better.
Fair point.
Old Bridge stop.
Oh, Is this my stop?
Not yet. This is the old bridge. You need the stop after this one.
Right. After the old bridge. I almost got off too early.
Almost. But you asked. That was smart.
I am learning slowly.
Slowly is fine.
Library stop.
Is this my stop?
Yes, it is. This is your stop.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
You too, goodbye.
Lena, you made it!
Yes, I made it.
Did you take the right bus?
Yes, bus number 12. Wow, you did not get lost. I almost did. But I asked for help. That is new. Very funny. I am proud of you. Thank you. I learned many useful sentences today.
Like what?
Like, could you help me, please? And is this my stop? Good. Now can we go? Yes. But first, where are we going? You do not know? I was focused on the bus. Okay. Now I will help you. Perfect. Could you help me, please?
Of course.
Okay.
Well done. Today, you learned useful English at the bus stop. Let's review the most important sentences. I missed the bus. Could you help me, please?
When is the next bus? Does this bus go to the city center? How much is a ticket? Can I pay by card? Is this my stop?
These sentences are really useful.
Yes, you can use them when you travel, in a new city, or when you need help. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. For example, I missed the bus. Or, could you help me, please? Thank you for learning with Nightwave English. Subscribe for more slow English lessons with Lena in Havenport.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!